Hello learners. Today, we are going to study sample literary works before our country was colonized by other countries, like Spain, United States of America and Japan. In the pre-colonial times, oral transmission was the primary means of communicating and preserving Philippine literature. Long before the colonizers brought their own influences to our culture, our literary collection had already amassed an abundance of folk sayings, stories and songs. To this day, the literary genre of the riddle in pre-colonial times has endured. It has many names and forms. Bugtong in Tagalog, Paktakon in Ilonggo, Patatotan in Bicol, and Bubertia in Ilocano. Riddles relied on telling haga or metaphor. It is a guessing game of objects represented by other objects. Here is an example of a Tagalog riddle. Skin and bone flying, the answer is kite. Proverbs are statement of a particular culture's codes of behavior and beliefs and intended to teach values. They are known as kasabihan in Tagalog, panultihan or pacha among the Cebuano, kasbian among the Pampango, and humbatan or hurobatan among the Ilonggo. In Panay it was called darajatan or darata, and basahanan in Bukidnon. Here is an example of a Tagalog proverbs. It is better to have a hut inhabited by a person than a mansion wherein an owl lives. Epics were the most prominent literary genre of the pre-colonial period. It featured local heroes taking on, and, indeed succeeding in, various adventures. Across the country, each tribe has at least one epic, along with 5 or 6 minor epics. It was called Daranjan in Maranao, Balahingan in Manobo, Guman in Subanan, and Hudhud in Ifugao. This are the popular examples of epics from different regions: Bayag ni Lamang from the Ilocanos, the Abaloy epic Kabunlan and Bendian, the Tagalog epic Kumintang, the Palawan epic Kudaman, the Panay Bisaya epic Maragtas at Hinalawad, the Manobo epic Tuwayan Midsiko, the Negros Bisaya epic Hari Sa Bukid, the Mindanao epic Daranjan, the Muslim epic Bantagan, and the Ifugao epic Hudhud at Alim. Myths, legends, and fables are short forms of fiction. Myths serve to explain how the world was created. Legends explain the origin of things, while fables were meant to teach lessons. Aside from short fiction and epics, our country's pre-colonial literature also abounded in songs. Their love songs, courtship songs, serenades and lullabies. Lullabies were songs to put infants to sleep. As children grew, they continued to have songs tailored to their imagination and playtime. Other songs were intended for activities shared by the members of the community, like a song for rowing, for pounding rice, for making pots and for hunting bees. There were even songs for drinking. That's all for this lessons. Don't forget to answer all of the uploaded quizzes for this week via LMS.